Look, let me guess how this sounds. You make decent money, you're not broke. Your bills are paid, but somehow, every month still feels tight. You look around and think, I'm doing everything I was told to do, so why does it still feel like I'm falling behind? You've got a 401k. You save a little, you're responsible, and yet, one unexpected expense still messes up your entire month. If that sounds uncomfortably familiar, yeah, you're not alone. And more importantly, it's not because you're bad with money. It's because there are a few money rules the middle class is never taught, and breaking them quietly keeps people stuck for decades. Here's the thing, once you see these rules, you can't unsee them. My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, wealth building, and why smart people stay financially stressed. If you're someone who works hard, does the right things with money, but still feels behind, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Alright, let's get into it.